So now we'll discuss the gases exchange in fishes. Gases exchange in fishes. What is the gases exchange? Gases exchange is a process in which inhalation of the gas, inhalation of the air that contains the means higher concentration of the oxygen and lower concentration of the carbon dioxide, and exhalation of the gas, which contain the higher concentration of the carbon dioxide and lower concentration of the what uh, oxygen. This is the gases exchange. So gases exchange by the aquatic animals and mostly in fishes takes place by the gills. These are the respiratory organs or gases exchange organs by which gases exchange takes place. There are about 4 to 5 pairs of the gills are present in the fishes, covered by the operculum, or that is a bony, means operculum is covered, means gills are covered by the operculum, that is bone, and absent in the cartilaginous fishes. Okay, gills. What are the gills? Gills are the respiratory organs that consist on two parts. What are they? Gill filaments and gill bar or gill arc. These are means two parts of the most important part of the gills, like we can see here. This is okay, the 13th chapter. Okay, here we can see this is the gills, means the single gill. This is this thing, means whitish thing in center, is the gill bar or gill arc, and these around, these are gill filaments. And we have taken here few filaments, 1 2 3 4, means 4 filaments we have taken here, but there are many filaments are there arranged in rows, means these are the gills that consist on two parts, gill filaments and gill bar or gill arc. Gill bar or gill arc. Okay, we will discuss them. What are the gill filaments? There are about 2 rows of hundreds of the filaments are present and contain gill lamella that are highly vascularized. Means there are 2 rows of the gill filaments are present that contain, there are the 2 rows of the gill filaments that contain hundreds of the filaments. Means 2 rows of the filaments are present, but there is hundreds of the filaments are the present, like this we can see here. This is the gill bar. Okay, this is the one row of the filaments. There is also another row of, see, like this is a gill bar or gill arc, and these are the filaments. 1 2 3 4, I have written here 4, and 1 2 3 4, I have written here 4. Means I have drawn the 2 rows of the filaments. Okay, 2 rows of the filaments I have drawn, and there are, means hundreds of the filaments are present in these 2 rows. I have taken only 4 filaments in one row, but there are many filaments are arranged in these 2 rows. I have, that's why written, there are about 2 rows of hundreds of filaments are present and that contain the gill lamella. We will discuss it. Okay, then there is a gill bar. I have already told you that may be bony or cartilaginous. So you can see here this, like, oh, here this is a gill bar or gill arc. These are the filaments, and their center, means here, are the gill lamella. These are the gill lamella. Okay, like we can see here, these are the gills, gill bar, gills. There are 4 filaments are taken here. If we take one, okay, like this, many 4 filaments are taken here, and if we take single filament, this is like this. And this is complicated structure. I have made it simple like this. Okay, yeah, this is the simple form of this gill. I have written here a single gill. Okay, this is the gill bar or gill arc, and there are two arteries, or means two blood vessels types are present here. These are efferent arteriole, means efferent artery, efferent arteriole, and afferent arteriole. Afferent arteriole are the blood vessels that carry the blood towards the gills. Means these are the blood vessels that carries the blood towards the gills. Okay, and afferent arteriole are the blood vessels that carry the bloods away from the gills towards the heart. Okay, for example, afferent arteriole, the blood flows in this direction. Okay, in this direction. In afferent arteriole, the blood flows in upward direction, in this direction. Okay. For example, and there is a gill lamella. I have taken here two gill lamella which connect this afferent and efferent arteriole, but there are many gill lamella present in like this, here, it's full, here. Okay, all sides means this gill lamella connects afferent and efferent arteriole, and I have taken here the flow of the water in this direction. Okay, like here from this direction. Okay, blood comes from here in this direction and goes to efferent arteriole from by the help of gill lamella, and this move this in this direction. But water moves in this direction, means both blood moves in this direction and water moves in this direction, means are oppositely directed. This is known as counter current flow. Like in this, for example, water moves in this direction and blood moves in this direction. Okay, this is also known as counter current flow. This counter current flow allows the fishes about 95% oxygenation of the blood. How this is happening? See. Okay, counter current flow. For example, here this is the blood, this is the water, sorry, and this is the blood. For example, there are about 100 molecules of the oxygen in the water and there are 20 molecules of the oxygen in the blood. Okay, when they are moving in the same direction, this is not a counter current flow. When they are moving in the same direction, for example, here will be 80 and here will be 40. Okay, then in order to equalify, 20 molecules will move from there here water to blood, and there will be 60 to 60. Then now both are at the same are equilibrium. There will be no any further exchange of the gases. 60 60 60 means this will be continued form. Okay, now I have taken here the counter current flow. Water is moving in this direction and blood is moving in this direction. For example, there are 100 molecules of the oxygen, there are 20 molecules of the oxygen in the blood. When we combine 100 with 20, 120 divided by 2, 60, means there will be 60 and 60, both will be both will be in equilibrium. Now blood will move further, then there will be 100 molecules of the oxygen in the blood, there will be 60. Okay, 100 plus 60, 160 divided by 280, there will be 80 and here will be 80. This is in equilibrium. Then blood moves further in a straight line, there will be 100, there will be 80, 180 divided by 2, 90. 90 molecules will be here. Okay, here will be 90. Blood moves further, then there is 90 plus 100, 100 plus 90, 95, means 95% of the blood will become oxygenated. Thank you so much.